Hey guys, good morning. I figured I would film a vlog for you today since my last one was all the way back in October. It is a Sunday. I have a pretty busy day ahead of me. I have 2 buyer consultations. I'm going to be finding out a little bit more information about a property that a potential client might be interested in, so might have a showing depending on how that goes. And I'll just be following up with buyer leads today as well. So yeah, a lot going on. I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's just get started with my day. It's pretty, thank you. So I'm having kind of a crisis. Apparently our printer is only a black and white printer and I need to print buyer guides for today's meeting, so that's fun. Okay, time to get dressed. Wish it were that easy. So I actually did not end up printing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up the PDF on my laptop and go through it with them that way, and then I'm gonna email them a copy after our meeting today. I'm really excited to meet them. I met this particular person at an open house and I'm excited to sit down with him and his wife today so that we can just kind of go over their timeline, their goals, their plans. As I've said before in previous videos, this is all about the client. Obviously, I do talk about the process and you know, just how buying a house works, but I really want to know specifically what their goals are so that I know exactly how to best serve them. Okay, I'm here with 3 minutes to spare. I'm gonna go inside, get all set up, and let you guys know how it went afterwards.
1 hour later.
Okay, so the first buyer consultation is all done. I'm on my way home. It went really well. They were incredibly sweet. We went through pretty much the whole process from A to Z. I learned a lot about what their goals are, which is fantastic. And I'm hoping that they choose me to be their real estate agent. We'll see. But yeah, that was really great. It is a gorgeous day outside. I don't know if you can tell like how sunny it is. Ciao. Anyway, so but I'm gonna go home. I am going to do some work for some clients, and I am going to get ready for my second buyer consultation at 2 o'clock today. So yeah, very excited.
Huh?
Well, I already actually told you that.
450?
1,450. 1,456.
It's picking up all at the same time, you see? All of it.
Hopefully it keeps going. Okay, so I'm just sending off the email with the home buyer guide. Just keeping it short and sweet, telling them that I was really happy to meet them today, that I hope I get an opportunity to help them find their first home. Attach the buyer guide, and that's pretty much it. So I guess I'll wait to hear from them. Hey, my name's Irina. I'm with Next Home. I'm calling about a property you have for sale on. Yeah, I have a client that is interested in the home, and I was just curious if you had any offers in hand at this time. I know it's only been on the market for a few days, but it's such a great place. Do you know if the first offer is at list price or if it's above that? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye. Okie doke. I'm gonna run just some general rent comps for this property and see if I can get an idea of what it would rent for. Я вот смотрела на этот дом, но он мне сказал, что они сейчас получили один оффер. Планируют ставить дедлайн Monday afternoon or evening. Еще точно не знают, должны уточнить with the sellers. Не за что, все, увидимся. До свидания. Okay, so I have sent a few homes over to a client of mine, so got that out of the way. Yeah, and then I'm gonna meet another potential client at an open house right now in about half an hour. It's really great because it's only like 2 minutes away from me, but we'll see if it checks out as a good investment opportunity for him and go from there. You guys, that open house was packed. There were so many people there. It's a really, really hot property. It's actually right across from my church, so they're considering potentially purchasing it as, you know, having it for church property. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, they're setting an offer deadline like Monday or Tuesday afternoon, so it's gonna have to be a really quick decision. It was great. The property itself is quite large, so lots of potential for future development.
A few moments later.
You guys will not believe the chaos that just happened. Like, I couldn't even film because, oh my goodness. So I apparently accidentally grabbed the spare key from my car that doesn't have my house key attached to it. And by the time I got home from the open house, Anton had already left for soccer and I was locked out of the house. So he rushes home to get the door for me. At the same time, I'm at my friend's house down the street printing the buyer guide because our printer doesn't have color. Oh my goodness, she saved me today. Anyways, I'm on my way. I just sent the person that I'm meeting with a voice note and let him know that I'm probably gonna be like 4 minutes late. But oh my goodness, this usually doesn't happen. But like, of course, on the busiest day, everything just has to go sideways. Alright guys, on my way home from the second buyer consultation, it also went really well. Oh my goodness, everyone I'm meeting is so incredibly sweet and easy to talk to and eager to move forward with the house hunting process. So I just feel, ooh, are you switching lanes, sir? Are we not using blinkers anymore? Is that what we're doing? Sorry, anyways. I'm so honored and excited to be a part of people's house hunting journey. It's such a special thing, and I'm always on such a high after these consultations because it's just like one of my favorite parts about the job is guiding people, and I love to do it. So yeah, I'm really glad it went well. I'm incredibly hungry. Anton is warming up lunch as we speak, so I cannot wait to come home and eat. Guys, I was so hungry that I didn't even film my food. I have a tiny bit left. This is plov. It's a Russian dish. Anton heated him up.
It's not a Russian dish.
Okay, it's a Uzbek dish. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anton warmed it up all by himself. And now he's making his coffee. Look how pretty that is. It's like a little Rosetta, right? Is that what that's called?
I don't know. It's supposed to be a heart in the middle.
To end the work portion of this day. At least I think I'm done with work. You never know with real estate. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Irina. I'm a real estate agent in Oregon, and here on my channel we discuss all of the latest news and developments in the world of real estate, the workforce, and the economy. Okay guys, the evening is winding down. I have some computer work to do, and I'm also going to be editing my video for the week, but I made myself some chocolate chip cookies. Well, I didn't really make them. I bought the cookie dough, but still. My little cookies. I've sent a text to the person that I met with for my second buyer consultation. I sent him my lender recommendations and all of their contact information. Right now, what I think I'm gonna do is actually reach out to the buyer's agent for the condo and let him know about some of the repairs that we've made. They did submit a repair addendum, just a few things that, you know, we had agreed to take care of, so I wanted to update him on that. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but our appraisal came in at value, so that's really, really exciting. I'm so happy about that. If all goes well, we're set to close on the 25th, and after, you know, we close and everything is all done, then I will actually make a whole separate video about the condo and all of the renovations and just that whole process. I'm really excited about that. Ooh, another thing that I did today is I paid for my Zip Forms account. Basically all of my contracts and forms that I need to do real estate in the state of Oregon. And it's kind of a lot because I renewed that today. And then there's also an annual fee that realtors have to pay in order to stay licensed. And that is so much money. It was like 600, I can't remember exactly. I'll put it on the screen. And then renewing my forms today was $179. So it's just, it's kind of a lot, like when all the fees hit at one time. Realistically speaking, I should be editing my video right now, but I made a reel. I think it's pretty funny.
Grown people should never laugh!
Follow me on Instagram. It is 10:25. I've been editing my video for a while now and my eyes are just so tired I couldn't possibly go on, so I think it is time to wrap it up and call it a day. I didn't film an official conclusion for the vlog, but I did just want to quickly say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you did enjoy the video, please feel free to leave a like and a comment. It really helps the channel grow. And if you or anybody you know needs a real estate agent in the state of Oregon, I would be honored to help you with your home buying, selling, or investing needs. All of my contact information is in the description box down below. I truly hope to hear from you and help you achieve your home goals. Other than that, I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye!